they are there day in, day out, protecting and serving us and keeping our community safe. I'm George Oliphant, and this week we're coming to you from Lindenhurst, Long Island, where we're helping out the Paniccia family. Ron and Carrie are new homeowners and the proud parents of a beautiful baby girl. Their house has an unfinished lower level, which they were hoping to turn into the family living room. Ron is not only a 17-year FDNY lieutenant and true hero, but also the family handyman. All was going well with their own projects until his father suffered a stroke, which has left him severely handicapped. Ron now spends all of his free time working on his parents' house, and from what I understand, he could use some help around his own home. You ready to see it?
Oh yeah.
All right, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God. Shut up.
Holy cow. Oh my, look what they did with the wall.
Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
That is absolutely amazing.
Oh my God.
This is our house, huh? Holy.
Stop it.
This is crazy. They got the lights mounted and everything ready to go. Your studio is set to go in like 2 seconds. You can shoot anytime you want down here now.
And you do remember that there was a closet over here that led to this strange contraption of a bathroom, right?
Yes.
You want to see what we did with that?
Oh yeah.
God.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Check it out.
Holy
Shut up.
wow, real bathroom.
Oh my God, I love the colors.
Holy cow, they
Look
put
at
a whole
that
stand-up
teal.
shower in. Look at the shower.
Oh my God.
This is absolutely amazing.
We have it.
You did all this in 2 weeks. I can't believe it.
This week's rescue brings us to the Brooklyn home of Anita Clark. Anita is a 25-year employee of the NYPD, and her life goal was to achieve the American dream of owning her own home. Unfortunately, that dream home soon became a nightmare, as significant damage has made life difficult for Anita, her mother, and her daughter. But being that Anita has done so much for her friends, her family, and her community, we felt it was only right to give her the help that she desperately needed. All right, Anita, welcome home!
Thank you! Oh, thank you.
There have been a lot of changes since you and I first crossed paths.
Really?
Yeah?
Good changes?
Amazing changes. Without further ado, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God!
Open it up, give you some more stories.
Yes, this is cool. This is so nice.
You want to see what we did in your bedroom? All right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my Lord have mercy, look at my house. This is nice. Oh, this is nice. Oh, thank you.
This week's rescue brings us to Queens, New York, to the home of the Manuel family. Lee, the dad, is a hero in more ways than one. He's an NYPD lieutenant who a couple years ago, when their house was burning down, made sure that his entire family got out safe. Since then, the house has been put back together, but there's still some jobs left undone, and that's what we're here to do today. Hey, welcome home.
Who's that, Kayla?
Hey, Kayla, how's it going? How you doing, my friend?
Good, how's everything?
Good, good. Hi, hi. It's always good to get home, right? I can tell you that the home is better than the way you left it. So, you guys ready to check it out?
We're ready.
All right, let's go. Yeah, you're ready. All right, yeah, you know where the basement is.
Go ahead.
Okay. Shall we? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Nice.
No way. No way. Wow.
It's beautiful. You like it? It's nice.
This is not the same space. This is not the same basement. No way this is the same place.
Andy is very dedicated and committed to his family, hard worker, is probably like a model in YPD. Very nurturing and loves to help people out.
Thank you.
You know, the only time you think about the police is if, God forbid, something awful's happened and you need their help. But they are there, day in, day out, protecting and serving us and keeping our community safe. And sometimes even the police need a little help. So let's go let Andy and his family know they're being rescued. I'm excited to see you guys. I know it's been a long time, but we got a little crazy here. We finished that basement for you. You guys want to see?
Yes,
All right, follow me. Feel that? See that? That's it. That's air conditioning. That's air conditioning. Every room, every floor.
Oh my goodness.
Head on downstairs.
Forget upstairs. This is so nice.
I love it. This is mine. You know, the idea was to make it a study space, but with that huge TV that I have there, I don't think a lot of studying is going to be done.
She can study and then you can watch TV.
Okay, I'll supervise. All right.
Yes.
Not that you got that corner.
Oh, look at the N right there. Look, N.
We need an A.
N.
It's actually a Z.
No, get out.
That's your homework cubicle right there.
It's going to be her command center right here.
Exactly.
Oh, this is so cool. Look, Olivia. Mina. Look, Catherine. You know, I think the space was really thought out.
Oh, you wash and
my
dryer.
goodness. Laundry for me.
Right. Big screen TV for me.
Yeah, a space for Nati and Olivia's space. She loves it, and Catherine is super happy.
The basement is beautiful. George did a good job.
So from the very first moment I met Jack, I knew that he was super passionate about firefighting and caring for people, so much so that he does it in his volunteer work.
Well, I've been a volunteer in Rockville Center for 11 years. I think that volunteering and working with the community is obviously a major part of my life and Jackie's life.
The biggest challenge we're facing with the house is the kitchen.
Right now, we definitely don't have the time to do the kitchen over.
We definitely wouldn't have the financial ability to do it anytime soon.
Jack is a man after my own heart. He's pretty handy, he's done a lot of the projects on his own home, but he's always rushing off to rescue someone else. Well, now, I'm here to rescue him.
Hi, George.
Hey, Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good, I'm good.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. Oh, I'll take
So
a
good
big
to see
Jack
you.
hug any day. Well, you guys are in for a real treat. I can tell you this is one of the best transformations we've done on George Rescue, and all we do is good transformations. So, but instead of listening to me talk about it, what do you say? Shall we go see it?
Let's go.
All right, follow me. All right, Jackie, Jack, welcome home.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. Whoa.
Oh my God.
That's crazy.
Oh my God.
Oh man.
Our first reaction when we came into the home was unbelievable. I mean, the transformation is insane.
This is genius. Now both of us fit. Look how great.
We fit.
We can pass each other. This
See
is
you later.
great.
When we walked in, it was just overwhelming. You know, we didn't know where to look first. Everything was new and beautiful. So many
It's
details,
amazing.
yeah, that we couldn't just catch all at once.
I can't believe we live here. This doesn't look like the house we bought.
I told you, all right? Did I tell
Really
you?
Yeah.
beautiful and
How about
amazing.
this? There used to be a wall here.
I
Maybe you
can't
didn't realize
believe
that.
This is amazing, really.
We have arrived at the Emergency Medical Service headquarters of Plainsboro, New Jersey. This EMS squad is made up entirely of volunteers who donate over 25,000 man-hours a year in servicing their community. Now, we heard that their lounge, which they use for everything from training to relaxation, is in dire need of a makeover. Well, we got the entire squad gathered inside right now for what they believe is a local news story. But for a group that answers almost 1,000 emergency calls a year, I think they deserve more than a news story. They need a rescue. Is everyone ready? Yeah! You guys ready? Yeah! 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God. Holy cow. Wow. Oh my God. What a difference. Yes. What a difference.
Oh my goodness, did you guys hit a home run? It is so awesome. I couldn't have dreamt it. It is so awesome. And there's so much to see. It's like the more you look, the more you see. You guys did very well. It is so amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
It's so much more than I could have ever thought. I couldn't even have a clue what was going to happen in here, and to see all of this, everything's new, everything's clean, everything's bright, it's cheery. And it was so depressing in here before. It was old and drab, and no matter what we tried, we just couldn't make it better. And it's amazing, it's amazing.
Dennis Cosgrove is a former Marine, a New York Police Department detective. The man has served his country and now serves his community. Megan Cosgrove is Dennis's wife, who unfortunately passed away during childbirth and has left Dennis to raise their son Declan on his own.
After Megan passed, I had a hard time being in the house, and it's still very hard to be in the house. You know, you turn a corner and you think of a time where the two of you bumped into each other, or just you picture her walking down the stairs. I did want to move initially, but then you start to think and you want to stay the course that you had set up as far as what you were going to do as a family, and I have to do it because it was what she wanted, it was what we wanted, and I just try and continue that way.
Dennis, Declan family, welcome back.
Hi, how are you, George?
I'm doing great. Good to see you, bud. How you doing? Follow me. Head on down.
Oh, really unbelievable. Look at this, bud. Ooh, a little television. Oh, wow, God.
Look at this, huh?
When we used to walk down the stairs, it was just a dungy, cold, dirty basement. Now it feels like you can hang out down here. It's very warm.
Oh, that's awesome!
When Declan came down to the basement, he opened up his eyes, he was smiling, he was happy.
You see, bud? You see, you happy? The most amazing thing about the basement, I think, was when I coming down and seeing the house that was built for him inside of the basement, I think is incredible. It's like his own little space within his space. It's really unbelievable.
Wow. I think Dennis and Declan are gonna have a great time down here. It's a nice, happy thing that's happened, and it's finished. I definitely think Dennis is very happy.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.